Hello, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. We have some Majorette cars here, and not just any Majorette cars, we have some Japanese tune-ups. Very awesome. And I thought we'd add a little bonus car in here as well. Something I got from my local Sainsbury's. Another Majorette car, the cast head series. We have another Nissan Cefiro A31. And we even recently saw one of these in the Japanese 5-pack or gift box set that I picked up. Pretty cool. We'll take a look at that one later. I have that for a reason. So let's waste no time. Let's crack this one out the box and take a quick look at it. Just going to tear it apart because, yeah, I'm not bothered about the box of this one. Oops. Let's ping that card out. So as usual with Majorette, we get a pretty cool little image of the car. Not sure what the background is meant to represent in that one. In fact, that's a pretty weird image entirely. Hang on. No, we usually get stats. That would be the stat side. And there's the cooler picture of the car. So yeah, no stats for this one. Just a picture. A weirder picture than the cool one on the front. There we are. Less for me to read. I'm not going to complain. And then we have the car here. I do believe this one has an opening bonnet. Very stiff, but yeah, opening bonnet on this one, which is a nice little touch. As always, we get these lens lights. Some cool details. This one's got the drift bumper written on it, with the Japanese on the bottom there as well. Pretty cool design. Yellow wheels. Yeah, pretty unique. Pretty cool. Jap spec. Right hand drive steering wheel. Really like details and all that. Pretty cool. That is pretty cool. So, and again, I've featured this in this video for a reason. There's a reason we got 3 Cefiro A31s here. But yeah, the Japanese tune-ups. Now, I've done loads of videos on the Majorette tune-ups. Absolutely loads. I love the things. And saw these pop up in a local Tesco's, and I did a little short video on them. Yes, there were 6 cars. There was these 2. There was an R35, a little key truck. I can't remember what it was. A Nissan Z. Oh, and a minibus, a minivan thing. Oh, what was that called? Hiace, I think it's a Toyota Hiace. But there is also, if you're very lucky, a chase car. A gold bloody Supra. Yeah, I didn't know that at the time. Although there wasn't one there, I would have spotted it. Yeah, there is a gold chase Supra to keep an eye out for. Tesco's hasn't since stocked any more of these, unfortunately, so I've had no luck with that. But yeah, keep your eye out on that. It seems to be quite elusive and worth quite a bit of money. But anyway, while we've done with that, let's crack on with these. We're going to open them up and check them out, because these have some tuning parts. The whole reason I love the Majorette tune-ups. And these are quite nice actually, because the tune-ups normally are all blind boxes. So you don't know what you're going to get, and there's different rarities of cars. But with this, you can actually choose the cars you want, which is quite nice. It's a shame the series wasn't actually a little bit bigger, because there's only, I say, 7, 6 if you don't include the chase. Shameless jump cut, because I wanted to get a thumbnail before I unboxed that one. At least I'm honest. But yeah, this is quite a cool way of getting them actually, I think. It's a shame the series wasn't a little bit bigger, like the blind boxes, but yeah, it means you can pick out the ones you want, like I've done here. And yeah, I do believe there's actually a 5-pack variant I've seen pictures of when I googled these. I think you can get a box set. I don't know if it's a new thing or something older. But yeah, it seems to be you can get a bigger set which comes with a secret car in it or something. There's some weird boxed version, but I've not found any of them locally, so yeah. But yeah, this is quite cool. So let's start off with this one, the Civic here. Does look pretty cool. Got the Japanese written up the side. Honda on there. Some branding. We've got a box with a number, but no number. Oh, you could number it yourself. Blue wheels, very interesting wheels, look at them. There's some pretty cool looking wheels actually. Yeah, nice. A little bit of suspension on those as well. Front light details or lens lights, which is always nice. A little bit of engine detail, opening bonnet, that's really cool. Yeah, really nice, and the livery does look pretty good. Oh, it's got the old holes drilled out of the bumper. Weight reduction, bro. Is that a cross on the number plate? Yeah, it's got a cross on the number plate. That must... I don't know what that represents. That must be some sort of... That must mean something in Japanese car culture, surely. You'll have to let me know if you do know. Unless it's just a style choice, who knows. We've got the rear light details, little roof spoiler, and this sort of roof rack on top that you can use to put the bits and pieces that come with it. So here is the box, which is just a cardboard box, but it's styled off of a shipping container, which is pretty cool. Let's open that up and see what we get. Not too much. So we get, I mean most of these only come with a couple of things anyway. We get a wheel, which I do believe is going to go on the top here on this roof rack. So we've got like a spare wheel holder on the roof there, in case you get a flat or blow a tyre on the track, sanding it too hard. And then we get this body kit, which will click into the base there. Oh yeah, very cool. Just look at that, how much that transforms that, just like that. That body kit is cool. Massive rear aero on that. Some big side skirts. And a load of aero and front splitters on the front as well. Pretty cool. And obviously, going on the base of the car, it also gives it a lower look as well, as it lowers all the car down to the ground. So that is very, very cool. And I actually have over to the side here the Civic from the Japanese 5-pack, or the gift box set. Same set that come with this. So, we should be able to... Or is that different? No, that is the same. They are the same distance. Yep. We can shove that on our Japanese box set car here. So yep, the parts are completely interchangeable with their relative cars. I don't know about you, but that looks flipping cool. That just seems more like a street tune build. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's, again, one of the things I love about these Japanese tune-ups. I actually quite like that. I think I prefer that, because it's like a street build, whereas this has the tyre on the roof. And I think these come off, but I think these two come off, but they will leave a hole in the roof, and obviously won't fit on that car. But yeah, body kits and tyres and things will swap between cars. So that's pretty neat. So let's have a look at the other A13 then. Bring the camera back up. Let's get the car out of there. Much like the other one, we get this one in green as well, and it has the opening bonnet there. This one has yellow front lights, which is pretty cool. Got the indicators, some branding on there, including the Majorette website. Japanese written there. Nice gold wheels, Safari paint job. I like the little chrome details they got there as well on the door handles and such. That's pretty neat. Rear light details. Number plate saying drift. Yeah, another pretty neat looking casting. Again, has the suspension as well. Very cool. And let's get into it. Let's get the little mod pack out, see what this one has. Aha, this one comes with the tyres as well. So we get a little body kit there, which can click over the car. Well, the car almost sits in it. Yep, I think that's the right way around. So now we've got this massive sort of race style body kit on there. I'll quickly put the wheels on so we get the full effect. These are always a little bit more of a faff about. Yeah, the wheels have always been quite a clever thing, because they're just like a rubber overlay, but it kind of gives them a slick, thick rubber tyre look, and actually gives them kind of this deep dish wheel effect. It just looks pretty cool, and then brings the wheels out to match the body kit. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Let's get some closer shots of this. Got what looks like a front intercooler there, perhaps. Wide arch kit going into the side skirts there, and then at the back, two massive exhaust pipes. Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, it does look in places a little bit OTT and maybe a little bit sticky outy, but you know, it's pretty good for something that just clips onto a car. That is pretty cool indeed. Now I probably won't be able to get this off again without, yeah, somehow getting the tyres off. So we take them back off again. We can actually, likewise with the Civic. Oh dear. This one is very well attached. There we go. Likewise with the Civic, we can actually put this on the gift pack van. Pretty cool, as it's also in green, so that looks pretty good. Actually, I think these suit the this set more, because the style of the cars looks pretty cool. I reckon this stuff suits these cars more. Shame is they've not done an Evo one. That would be awesome. I really want an Evo one, seeing as this set comes with an Evo, the gift pack that is. And of course, it should fit the regular normal line car as well. There we go. Look at that. It actually suits the colour of the wheels on that. Nice. That's pretty sweet. I like that. And of course, these wheels will probably fit nearly, well, these wheels will fit anything with the same size wheels, so they'd fit most Majorette cars, I'd imagine. So you could beef up your wheels, get some like track style wheels on your cars. That actually looks pretty good like that. Obviously, it's now a track car, not allowed on the roads, or at least it wouldn't be allowed on the UK roads because the wheels stick out past the arches. That is not allowed. But yeah, that looks pretty cool. Actually, yeah, it looks really good like that. I suppose it suits the black of the bonnet there. Yeah, that is cool. And they're all quite bouncy from the old suspension. Love it. So there we have it for the new Japanese tune-up series from Majorette. I just picked up a couple because they were £6 each, so quite expensive, although normal Majorette's about £3 and these come with a box and the extra bit. So it's not too bad, but picking up a full set would cost a pretty penny. Although so did the 4-packs of the blind ones, you know. And then you wouldn't be guaranteed what you're going to get either. So there is that. So I just picked up a couple that were kind of interesting and a bit different from what I'd already got in my collection. And yeah, obviously decided to try it out with the extra cars there, and of course all the parts can retrofit each other, so that is pretty awesome. You'll have to let me know what you think of the Majorette tune-ups and these cars down in the comments. Let me know, have you actually found one of the Supras yourself, because they just seem to be incredibly hard to find, and on eBay they're a lot of money currently. And yeah, while you're there, let me know if you pick up these yourself, and thank you so much for watching as always. Best of luck in your peg hunts, and I hope you're doing well. But for now, I hope to see you again in the next video.